Valentine's Day in the city. In the middle of a big, busy city, where cars honked all the time and people were always rushing around, lived Ella and Thomas. They had been married for 7 years and had made lots of lovely memories together. In their city, life moved really fast, and sometimes they just wanted everything to slow down a bit. This Valentine's Day, they wanted to do something special, something that would let them enjoy the quieter moments together. Thomas, who loved making beautiful pictures for his job, and Ella, who could make words dance like in a storybook, decided to find the hidden magic in their busy city. Their day started with a sweet song, Moon River, which Thomas hummed while making breakfast. The smell of coffee and warm bagels filled their cozy home. They talked about the first time they met at an art place, where a funny accident with a glass of wine turned into a promise of forever. "Isn't the city prettier when it's quiet?" Ella said, looking out the window at the buildings shining in the morning sun. Thomas gave her a smile and squeezed her hand. "Yes, but today, let's find beauty in all the noise and hurry. I have a special surprise." Feeling excited, Ella followed Thomas into the busy streets. They went to the art place where they first met. This time, it was filled with old love letters and cards. Reading the sweet words of people from long ago made them feel all warm and happy inside. In a quiet spot, Thomas gave Ella an old postcard. "I wrote this the night we met," he said. Ella's eyes filled with happy tears as she read the words, a beautiful memory of how Thomas felt when they first saw each other. They had lunch on top of a building, in a little cafe that felt like a secret. Up there, the busy city seemed far away. They talked about dreams they had, places they wanted to see, and all the little things that made every day special. Later, they went to a small bookstore hidden in a narrow street. It was cozy and full of stories waiting to be discovered. They read and laughed, sharing bits of the books with each other. When the evening came, the city lights sparkled like stars. Thomas took Ella to a bridge over the river. The water below mirrored the twinkling lights. They wrote wishes on small lanterns and let them float on the river, watching them glow softly in the dark. "Ella," Thomas whispered, "every day with you is like these lanterns, a gentle light in the dark." Ella moved closer to him, feeling very happy. "And you, Thomas, are my safe place in this busy world. In this big city, it's your hand I want to hold, today and always." Standing under the stars, in a city full of life, Ella and Thomas found their peaceful moment. They didn't need to escape the noise, they just needed to be together. Their love story was the best adventure, and every Valentine's Day was a new chapter in their beautiful journey.